Welcome to my YouTube channel and do subscribe the channel to see such a type of more typical questions related to macroeconomics. So I am starting the question with the help of a diagram. So first of all I am preparing what does this represents. Have you recognized what I am drawing? So number one, this is number one, land. It means concept is related to land. Land gives us, what does land gives us? It gives us rent. So this is a farm, accommodation houses, and this is a land. Number two, in our second diagram I am drawing these four persons. First represents farmer, second represents teacher, third doctor, and fourth engineer. So what does it mean? Whose are these persons? These are land. Then second one is labor. Labor gives wages that provides wages to the economy. Number three, then next I am drawing what does it represents? This is machine, and this represents capital, and capital gives us interest. Land, labor, capital. And last one is entrepreneur. Entrepreneur gives us idea. It means entrepreneur gives us profit. So what does it represents? It means these all are the factors of production. So factor income means it is the income earned by factors of production for rendering their services in the production activities. And moreover, ये second main point था. Third, these are bilateral payments. Number 4, this is earned concept. Number 5, factor income is included in national income as well as in domestic income also. And now on the other hand, transfer income. Let us clear the concept of transfer income with the help of a diagram. First diagram I am drawing that represents father and son. Father is giving pocket money to his son. It means he is giving transfer income. That represents transfer income. And one more, this represents government. Government is providing, number 1, scholarships to the students. Number 2, number 3, number 4. Also government is providing unemployment allowances. Government is providing old age pension. Government is giving donations to different institutions. So these all are a form of transfer income. It means it is the income received without rendering any services to the production activities. And so these are, number 3, these are unilateral payments. One-sided payment. It means government is giving, just government is giving, but persons are not contributing anything to the production activities. Number 4, this is a receipt concept. And last one is, such type of income will not be included in national income as well as in domestic income. So hope that you have understand the concept of transfer income or factor income. So that's all regarding this topic. Once again, I am telling you what is the important concept in this question. Number 1, production activities. These are bilateral payments and these are unilateral payment. This is a earned concept and this is receipt concept. It will be included in national income, will be included. These are included in national income, but such type of income will not be included in national income. So that's all regarding the topic. Thank you.